Today I would like to teach you Kiluba, uh, the language in Congo, in the south of Congo. So today we would like to teach you Kiluba. So it's about Luimu. Luimu means greeting. Greetings is Luimu. Luimu, greetings. So today we'll learn a few sentences when people are talking to each other in the morning. For instance, is that we will talk about Lubanga mostly morning. Lubanga means morning. Lubanga morning. Uh, when you see somebody, I can say uh, the person A. Let's say person A. I don't know if you see well there. I found out person A, then person B. They're having a conversation. Person A and person B. Then person A respond here. So I would like you to retain those sentences. They may be helpful in the morning. Mostly it's the morning greetings. I think it's all the time. The morning greetings seem to be anytime. Then the afternoon and so on will be probably more specific. So we could say Tuba imuna udina mani. Tuba imuna udina mani, which means that good morning. How 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 is it going? Or how are you? So tuba imuna udina mani. Uh, Good morning. How is it going? Or good morning. How are you? And then and